Hello everyone, this is Susan and let's just plan. I received 2 different pieces of happy mail yesterday that I'd like to share with you. The first one is from an Etsy shop called InktUnited, and such a cute little box, And let me open it up. So I did open it, but I didn't open it. So I don't know what it looks like inside. So design your life. Thank you so much for your order, Susan. And then she gave her Facebook and Instagram. Her name is Jen. And, oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. So these, I'll just tell you what they are ahead of time, but they're special. So these are discs, metal discs. Oh, look at the little box that she makes for them. How cute is that? These particular discs have the, what is that called? Yeah, whatever that is. Somebody tell me, what the heck is that called? Oh my gosh, isn't that funny? Oh. Okay, so anywho, these are the ones that I ordered. Don't they sound awesomeness? And the reason I got these was because, and I know you guys have kind of seen this, but see, so I painted this to replace the cover of my memory keeping planner. And I thought that these would, well, like I actually purchased these before I painted this. So I knew I was getting this nice deep red color. And I think that it's just going to look beautiful together. And something that you haven't seen yet is I also painted the back page for the back page of my planner as well. So yeah, so now I have the front and the back. I'm just waiting for the laminated sheets to come in, because I have the sheets, but they're not big enough. So yeah. So anyway, so I'm loving these. These are beautiful. Happy to use those. Then the next happy mail came from Germany, from Frankfurt, Germany. Now, and right now there's a lot of videos about Planything, but this is, I ordered this. I am not on the design team or anything like that. I did order it because I think that, oh my gosh, I think it's going to be awesome. So here goes. It's the first time I ever ordered from Planything. Okay. So, take it out of the box. And burgundy and blue. So this is the current planner that is available. And it tells you everything that comes in it. And here it goes. So let's see. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. So this is a true unboxing of this product, right? Look at this. Oh my gosh. Now, obviously, I haven't opened any of these, but I'll hold them so that you can see. There's 2 of the narrow, or 4 of the narrow washi tapes, and 1 a little bit wider. Super pretty, super pretty. There is the pen with the glitter inside, and it says Planything on it. It's quite awesome, quite beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. There is a stamp of a flower. I like it. Oh, there's a little pad. Oh my gosh, little sticky notes. Super cute. Obviously all with the theme of these roses. It's all about the roses, right? The flowers. And then here's some of the stickers. I hope this video isn't too dark. I'm doing this at night, and I don't normally record at night, but I just had to do something and get off of social media. So I decided to do a video. Okay, so stickers. So these are paper stickers. How beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Super pretty. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. And then these are the clear stickers. There's 3 of these. Look at how pretty. Oh my gosh. I mean, I could use like a gazillion sheets of those. Those are so pretty. So, so, so pretty. All right, and then let's do this one next. So this is some paper, obviously some pattern paper. I'm sure it's going to be double-sided. Super pretty. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow. I love a good pattern paper because I do cut them up and use them in my planners. So super pretty. Okay, and then this is, and it has Planything on the back. So this is the actual traveler's notebook insert, right? Trying to open it. Okay, so we have this. Oh, and it's nice and smooth and beautiful. And then it has the dot pages. And it's nice and wide. I think, you know, I know internationally they call it like, I don't know if it's A6, B6, I don't know. But in inches, it is 5 inches by 7 inches. Super nice size. So it's not a lot of times the TNs are longer and narrower. This is wider and shorter. And this is the reason that I got this kit. So she does have a monthly kit, and it does come from Germany, but I have to tell you, it came quicker than some stuff came recently from the US to the US. So, oh, look at this. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, it feels soft, but it feels like it's like the real thing. It just feels so well made. Look at the stitching. Oh, this is gorgeous, the print and everything. So what happens, if you don't know, and you can fit multiples in here, right? But what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this in here and scoot that all the way in. And then you have one of your notebook inserts inside the planner, and then you can get more and you can have multiples in here. Looks like you can have 1, 2, 3, 6 in here. How am I going to use this? I can't wait to use it. I hope I don't hoard it because I think it's so stinking beautiful. Oh, it is awesome sauce. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow. All right, well, this was my unboxing and my haul for today. Yeah, so between the Planything kit and my new little metal discs, I am a happy camper, and I can't wait to use everything. So let me know if you have any questions. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and have a blessed week. Alrighty, bye-bye.